Harish uncle. I'll request Harish uncle to start the session.
Thank you, Alag uncle. Thank you, Seema auntie. Thank you, Suresh uncle, and thank you most of all to Guruji Maharaj for this seva. Uh, जैसा कि गुरुजी अंकल कहते थे कि सत्संग करने वाले का भी कल्याण और सुनने वाले का भी कल्याण. तो आप लोगों की और स्पेशली अलग अंकल आपकी थ्रू यू आई थिंक वी आर ऑल गेटिंग दिस डिवाइन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रीड दिस. सो आई एम गोना स्टार्ट द रीडिंग अंकल विथ योर परमिशन. इज दैट ओके?
Yes, uncle, please.
जय गुरु. So this chapter is has been I think very aptly titled Guruji is all pervasive, omniscient. Um, and of course, I had one or two questions, Uncle, if I may. बीच में मैं आपको, of course, I might ask you a couple of questions as I'm reading this. But I'll start the chapter. And you mentioned that he is omniscient and he would bless women with children, even those who had been medically declared unable to conceive. And he could change the sex of the child before birth. He could bring rain. He could stop rain, bring wind, lift the fog, control the sun and the moon. So he could remove all the miseries, diseases listed in any hospital's vocabulary, and they would disappear from the sufferers with Guruji's blessings. Many uncles who had confirmed heart blockages were to be operated upon the next day were blessed by Maharaj and the blockages disappeared. Dreaded cancers disappeared by just one sentence from Guruji. Tera Kalyan Kitta. He did all this just to show glimpses of his power. He never performed any magic, such as giving someone a palace made of gold or blessing someone to become a dictator, king, or a top leader. He always upheld the dignity, maryada, and principles of humanity. So, Uncle, I'll stop here. This is the first of the chapter, but I wanted to just maybe learn from you in terms of your personal experiences, Uncle, on and what
Okay.
was your thought process
As
to
far
share?
as whatever I have written here,
Ji,
it's all supported by evidence. It is
ji,
excerpt from various satsang by the people, or some of them which I'll come down later, which I saw personally.
right,
Like, for example, this is very common and it is true in case of a god. After all, God wants his creation to flourish. So, therefore, when we say he would bless women with children, there are empty number of examples आपने सुने होंगे
ji,
जो 10-10, 15-15 साल तक उनकी मैरिज हो गई है, वो तरसते थे अपनी संतान के लिए.
ji,
गुरुजी ने उनको ब्लेस किया. I mean, I'll qualify by this by saying one is very popular. That is when Guruji went with Messi auntie to their resort, and there was this Mohammedan gentleman married for 15 years without a kid. और उसको मुराद गुरुजी ने उसको ब्लेस किया and he was
ji,
blessed with a child जिसका नाम भी मुराद रखा. ऐसे भी एग्जाम्पल हैं जहां पर कि मैंने तो इतना तक सुना है कि they did not medically, there were some aunties were declared that they cannot conceive. It was not feasible medically. और उससे भी ज्यादा आई मीन कोई साधन ही नहीं है कईयों के संतान के अंदर, पेट के अंदर, बट गुरुजी ने उन्हें ब्लेस किया, उसको संतान हुई. चेंज सेक्स इन चाइल्ड बिफोर बर्थ एक एग्जाम्पल है एक आंटी का जो कि गुरुजी ने ब्लेस किया था एक बेबी के लिए. एंड शी फाउंड आउट somehow that she's going to be giving a birth to a baby girl. and perhaps she had desired कि she should have a baby boy. तो वो कुछ लास्ट के दिनों में गुरुजी के गई, तो वहां बैठी थी, तो गुरुजी ने उससे कहा, "हम ते खुश हैं तेरे।" तो उसने बड़ी उदासी से कहा, "गुरुजी खुश ते हैगियां, मगर एक ही देना सीगा, मुंडा दे देंदे।" तो गुरुजी ने उससे कहा कि जा तेन मुंडा दिता, मगर तू चेक ना कराई। And after a couple of days, she delivered a baby boy. Now, these are the things that have been told by people who have experienced this. He could bring rain, stop rain, bring wind, lift fog, control sun, control moon. Uh, there are n number of examples of Guruji stopping rain. Wherever he is present, the rain will not happen. Bringing rain, एक दर्शन आंटी का सत्संग है जो मैंने सुना है दर्शन आंटी के अपने मुख से, कि किस तरह से मई जून के महीने में बड़े मंदिर में शुरू में जब एसी वगैरह नहीं थे, बड़ी गर्मी थी, और उसने शायद जिक्र किया कि बहुत गर्मी है, तो गुरुजी ने कहा गर्मी है। गुरुजी just raised his hand and there was clouds, there were, this is what she narrates, and she is there even today. I wonder if she'll be
Right.
listening or she'll hear this recording what I'm saying. उसने वहां पे थंडर हुई, जोर से बारिश हुई, माहौल पूरा ठंडा हो गया, और जब गुरुजी ने उसको आज्ञा दी जाने के लिए लेट एट नाइट, वो जैसे ही बड़े मंदिर के गेट के बाहर निकली, right till Delhi, her house, it was all dry. It only happened there. Now she narrates, she was a, I think, if I'm not wrong, either she was a pilot herself or she was she used to work with Indian Airlines. So he could uh, bring wind, lift fog. Lift fog का तो बहुत है यहाँ पे। मैं आजकल सियाटल में हूँ, एमपी अंकल हैं जो बहुत अच्छे, उनके सत्संग हैं कि किस तरह से उन्होंने लैंड करना था दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट से ऑन हिज वे फ्रॉम
जी।
Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and due to fog, the plane was not able to land. In fact, plane was being diverted, and he prayed to Guruji because he was to meet him next morning in Jalandhar.
Right.
The fog got lifted, and when he next day and the plane landed, when he went to Guruji, the first thing Guruji said, "Das kis tarah tera plane land karaya hai?" I mean, it was not a coincidence that this just lifted. He could uh, uh, control sun. You would have heard that uncle, that Major General, जो लखनऊ में थे, मेडिकल कोर के, उनके घर गुरुजी गए उनके लड़के की शादी के लिए, और उनको गुरुजी ने एक विंटर के दिन, बिल्कुल टॉप ऑफ विंटर, एब्सोल्युटली कड़ाके की सर्दी थी, एक शर्ट पैंट दी, ये पहन ले, ये पा ले, उन्हें वो पहनी है। एवरीबडी हैड कम विद garam suits and sweaters and all that, and suddenly the sun became very hot and they had to remove all those who were wearing very warm. So he could do that. And as far as moon is concerned, in fact, once we were present in, it was 98, 99, 2000 sometime, करवा चौथ के दिन, एंड जब काफी लोग, हमारी आंटी भी बैठी थी वहीं पर ही, एंड दिस इवेंट वी सॉ आवरसेल्व्स। तो जब दो चार अंकल बाहर उठ के गए देखने के लिए कि चांद निकला है कि नहीं, तो गुरुजी वुड स्माइल, एंड देन फाइनली गुरुजी सेड कि जा हुन देखो बाहर निकल आया है, कंट्रोल तो मेरे को हैगा। नाउ this was as far as this part of the controlling the nature, was
Yeah.
concerned. Now I'll come down to is that diseases. Why I said that the vocabulary, actually, that any disease that you think of, that Guruji cured those people with that, I mean, the dreaded can be only is the cancer, one of the most,
Yes.
this thing, kidney failure. These are some of the dreaded things. So, Guruji, you have examples of how to Jathera uncle, his son, 21, 22 years old, whom he had tried everywhere, and as a last resort, he was actually, now I see that he was called by Guruji, blessed by Guruji to come to him, and so that he blesses him, ki ja tera kalyan kita, and the cancer disappeared. Many other, I mean, like glaucoma. I know even today there is no cure for glaucoma. They can have all those gadgets put by which you can have sensation of seeing what American um, researchers are doing, but there is no cure. But you see Raghbir uncle, you listen to his satsangs, that how Guruji cured. I mean, I think I have also somewhere mentioned that this Guruji could do anything. He's the creator himself. But why he did this few, I would say, dramas, that is just to distract and make you believe at that point of time that, he's just performing some rituals. उनको नहीं भी करते थे वो तो करने की जरूरत थी, बट ये
Definitely.
उनका
Right.
एक तरीका था अपने को छुपा के रखने का, which he did for very late, till late. I would say इसके लिए मैं ये कहूँगा कि मैं 1998 से 2007 तक गुरुजी के पास n number of time जाता रहा, and I never realized that who is he really God? He did so many miracles, which you will see subsequently when I read further, or you must have
जी.
read my book. I asked during many satsangs of the old timers, Narendra Dhanda uncle, it could be General Grewal, many others. I asked them, Ki, when did you realize that he was a god? And everybody said they did not, and they regretted. It is not their regret, it is Guruji's kripa that he did not want this to be known. So, blockage, for example, I mean, you can imagine किसी का bypass होना है, अभी तो शायद थोड़ा अच्छा हो गया, but bygone days in 90s and 2000 early, it used to be पूरी छाती को फाड़ दिया जाता था, और किस तरह से उसको किया जाता था. And imagine all that misery just goes away by his जा जा तेरा कल्याण कीता. And of course, he enacted this. My Guruji pardon me by saying enacting this drama. कि 6 समोसे खा ले, 8 समोसे खा ले. That is just to distract about his real powers. I also mentioned here that he never did something very, or only one person who is from Malay Kotra, who owns now today 200 acres of land, and perhaps he has got a lot. I mean, one has not. हर एक आदमी खुशहाल हो गया गुरु जी की ब्लेसिंग से. His businesses improved. Things changed. They were palpable. They could see that change has taken place. But it was not to that level that he will, as I mentioned, that he will do something very, very abnormal. So Guruji did not do that, because that would have been absolutely outside Maryada. So, Uncle, this is all that I have. Anything else you like to me
Oh,
to
thank you,
say?
Uncle. No, this is whatever you mentioned. I mean, 100%. I could also relate to in some limited form. Thankfully, we had a chance to, that is me personally, to meet Guruji in 2001. With, of course, with the blessings of my parents. I fully attribute their good karmas and their blessings, because of which I could even see him and be in his presence. And of course, Guruji ही सब कुछ करवाते हैं. And it was, but to your point, एक बार, एक दो बार ऐसा लगा कि गुरुजी, शायद गुरुजी is not what he's, what we think he is. Just because we were seeing, to your point, such miracles happen on a daily basis. हम जब भी जाते थे, तो it was all of the things that you said. And one day it occurred to me that maybe I am in the presence of God Himself. And I had asked that question to my dad, and I think my dad answered something like, बेटा, गुरु गुरु और भगवान में ज्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं है. गुरु भगवान की ही इमेज होते हैं. तो इफ यू हैव दैट फीलिंग टुवर्ड्स गुरु जी, it is natural, because Guru, there is not much of a difference between Guru and God, because he's just, they're part of the same light, or something to that effect. So, but I think we never really, to your uncle, really understood who he was, and until much later. But yes, there were moments where I think वो पर्दा कभी कभी हट जाता था, but it was. Uh, but yeah, but thank you for this wonderful explanation. So I'll continue the reading. So.
जी जी.
Uh, I would like to mention why he did not reveal himself openly about who he was. While he did unimaginable miracles on his devotees, only a few could understand that he was not an ordinary Baba. There was a very strict code of conduct in his darbar. On the first day, we were told by the Sevadars that we would leave the Sangat to go to our homes. We should quietly get into the car and not talk to anybody. Otherwise, our blessings will go to the person we are speaking to. So we did not know what blessings were given by Guruji to any individual except for those who were asked by him to narrate it in the Sangha. But you will understand that a person narrating in the Sangha could be heard only by people sitting very close to them. People 5 to 10 yards away could not hear what the uncle was sharing. So virtually, we did not know what blessings people had received. Sometimes, when an uncle was asked by Maharaj to narrate his satsang, Guruji would smile, so we knew that some amusing anecdote was about to be narrated. So, uncle, again, I'll stop here because this is a lot of important messages are already in this. So, आप please इसमें थोड़ा सा, if you can shed some light on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I will tell you my own, me and my auntie. When we
जी,
went first time, I think on the very first time itself, if I'm not wrong, as we were coming back after taking Guruji's permission, बाहर ही मेरे को थोड़ा सा ध्यान है कि most likely सिंगला अंकल met us. And he told us कि अभी आप यहाँ से चुपचाप गाड़ी में बैठ के घर जाना. उन दिनों में हमारे पास तो मोबाइल फोन नहीं था, 98 में इतना कॉमन नहीं था, किसी एक के पास होता था. बट सीधे घर जाना, कहीं और नहीं जाना, नहीं तो तुम्हारी ब्लेसिंग वहां चली जाएंगी. आई बीइंग ए मिलिट्री मैन, आई फॉलोड दोस orders so strictly that we never spoke to anybody. It is now I'm feeling that was perhaps I wish I had also taken liberty. Like I now hear from so many sangat जो अपने सत्संग में बताते हैं कि उन्होंने उससे पूछा, उससे बात की, उन्होंने कहा हाँ मेरे को भी. So we did not get that. And in spite of the fact that we saw so many miracles which will come further as we go by.
जी,
I mean,
जी,
I must have seen Guruji showing a trishul on the left side of his forehead a dozen times or more, minimum, and very dark. And I would just keep seeing, when is he going to show me again? I mean, we took it as a kind of a fun to just watch that and not understanding what is the interpretation of this. So this was the reason that we, did not uh, know anything. And also, there were people who were asked when we were present there. in our presence कि अपना सत्संग दसो. There are 4 5. I remember एक कर्नल चैटर्जी होते थे, वो आर्मी के थे, तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा कीनली में पढ़ रहा था कि उनको क्या है. तो आई ओनली रिमेम्बर one incident of his which he said that one of his top secret file was missing or got lost. He was from the signal branch of Indian Army. So, they carry these all codes, this, that, and all that. So, or they have these secrets, others also, but they have. So, that I remember having heard. I heard Jathera uncle. I had heard Anita Kumar auntie, and very well. I was fortunately very close to her when she was talking. I was sitting very close to her, and one or two more uncles. Others also spoke, but we could not hear them. They were far away. So this is what I'm saying कि हमको ये पता नहीं था कि दूसरों को क्या ब्लेसिंग मिली है. हमको तो अपना
जी
जो
जी
हो
जी.
गया थोड़ा सा मिल गया, शुक्रिया कर दिया. We did not know. It is only during the, to be very, very frank, pandemic time when we heard hundreds of satsangs
Mhm.
of the people
Right.
whom we used to see. उनके शायद नाम नहीं थे, बट बाद में हमको जैसे दिखा वही हैं. तो तब हमने देखा कि उनके सत्संग जो है वो उनके सत्संग है. और ये भी मुझे याद है, गुरुजी ने एक आध किसी को कहते ओ विदास. This also I remember.
Right.
So this is what, uncle, I'm meaning, that
जी
why
जी.
we did not come to know is the reason.
No, no, very very right uncle. I very similar experience because जैसा कि आपने कहा उस टाइम पे इतना स्ट्रिक्ट कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट होता था कि आई थिंक we were we were all very silent, as you know. हम लोग बैठते थे and used to be very 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 disciplined. It was pin drop silence. And as such, to your point, there was not much of socializing that was going on. It wasn't like we were discussing it. कि अरे आज गुरुजी ने ये किया है. But we were observing, of course, and absorbing. But it wasn't more of an interaction. Maybe when we used to go out and wash our hands, perhaps this is if you by chance met anybody, yeah, कुछ बात हुई, but it was very rare. I don't think your ऐसा कभी मुझे भी याद है, but I recognized in the pandemic time a lot of people. I started recognizing that, oh, I knew this person because he used to sit there, or this auntie used to sit there.
वो आंटी थी
Um,
जो तीरथ आंटी, बड़ी सी बिंदी लगाती थी.
जी जी जी.
तो वी सॉ हर
बिल्कुल.
दैट, यू नो
जी.
कि
राइट.
उसके फिर हमने सुने तीरथ आंटी
जी जी.
सत्संग.
Right. No, no, awesome. So thank you, Abdul, for reminding those beautiful days. I'll
या
continue this the reading
जी
of the chapter, Uncle.
जी.
So you can imagine the chaos if people came to know that Lord Shiva had descended on earth. And I think this line really struck a chord with me, Uncle, because I always felt ki, gosh, I had held on to that thought that came to my mind that this is God, right? So बट देन शायद गुरुजी ने दोबारा वो कंफ्यूजन या पर्दा डाल दिया, तो वापस वी वर बैक टू जस्ट बीइंग मैकेनिकल, जाना आना. Because you are right, you're so right here. I think you hit the nail on the head. Uncontrollable mobs would have gathered to have a glimpse of the divinity. जो भीड़ आज हम बड़े मंदिर में देखते हैं, या the crowds of people that, I'm sure if anybody had even a whiff of who he was, I don't know, because Empire State, what it was, max 100 people, 200 people at any point in time. I don't think there was ever any more than that. So I think very very clear articulation here, Uncle. Initially, when I went to Empire State in 1998, there used to be very few people in the darbar. But as the news of Guruji's blessings started spreading, we saw the number of devotees had started increasing. Maharaj did this deliberately so he could bless many more people. Little did we realize that he had a huge following in Punjab and elsewhere. But Guruji had come unannounced to Delhi to bless the people here. He would tell the Sangat to bring more people for his blessings. I witnessed the journey from a gathering of just 8 to 10 people in August 1998 to the Empire Estate being filled, both the ground floor and the first floor, along with the people outside, and the Bada Mandir blossoming into the revered pilgrimage site. On certain occasions, like New Year, Baisakhi, or Guruji's Janamdin, there used to be thousands of people storming into Bade Mandir to have a glimpse of his divinity. Yeah, no, no, wonderfully written,
I will
uncle. So
like to
I would let you.
basically say,
Yeah,
yeah,
please.
um, I got this feeling sometime in 2014 or 15. I had visited Dugri. That time, Dugri was not to what it is today. Guruji's Janam Sthan was a small room. And when I came back and I said, let's go to Empire State on a particular day at it was open for the public. Right from the gate where Empire State is written, or maybe even little outside, there was a line of 4 to 5 lines right till Guruji's Darbar inside. Now that is the time I realized that if Guruji had shown or had let people know that who he is, the line would have started from either New Delhi railway station or from airport, New Delhi
Right,
airport. Right from there, the line would be 4 5
absolutely.
people in that way. And Guruji knew that it will create such a chaos. It will be uncontrollable.
Right.
So that is the first time I realized the reason behind his. Second thing, I am of the firm belief that those times, I would say, and particularly after seeing the case of Jathera uncle, who who went all around the world. You know, he was a IIT graduate from Bombay, and his government mein high official he was. He tried everything. His uncle's wife was a doctor himself, government
See,
doctor के अंदर थी. And how could he just find and land up over there? I'll give my own example. I was posted in Jalandhar for 6 years, and 6 years, 75 to 78, then 80 to 84. 6 years I was staying, and during that time, I had a house for 2 years in Defense Colony. And Defense Colony that time was not fully developed. There are few houses built. So I had occupied one of the house there for nearly 2 years. And I was told that there is a Shiv Mandir just behind. I used to see the Shiv Mandir. देखता था मुझको अपने घर से, which was about say 50, 75 yards. But I never went. It is in Delhi when I was staying in Delhi. Then a senior of mine passing by just out of nowhere just said कि मैं गुरुजी को अपने लड़के की शादी के कार्ड देकर आया हूँ. And we said कौन है ये गुरुजी? And he gave a very rough, vague direction and idea. And we landed up in the evening. So I say Guruji called us.
जी, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
You know, and so therefore it is he who he calls to people. Now, as far as this first time when I went, I just saw 8 to 10 people outside. That many jodas were outside, and I did not even know that you have to go and touch his feet. I mean, like normally, I mean, one would have extended his hand to shake hand or something like that. But fortunately, Guruji also planned this. He showed. So one uncle ahead of me was matha tek rahe the. So I said, well, this is the normal norm there. This is what you have to do. So when I went there, I thought that ये थोड़े बहुत लोग आते हैं बाहर इतने ही होते थे, कई दिनों तक वो हम जाते थे रेगुलरली, तो देखते थे, बट स्लोली हमने देखा वो जूते बढ़ते चले गए, बढ़ते चले गए। फिर हमको अपना ढूंढना पड़ता था कि हमारा कहाँ पर है, रखा है। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स स्टेज केम, यू वुड हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट, कि वो
जी
सामने वाले
जी
प्लॉट के अंदर शूज रख दिए जाते थे।
जी राइट
But that was my wrong impression, that there is got just 8 to 10 followers. On that, his Janamdin, which was celebrated in one of the farmhouse, somebody calculated with the number of buses that came from Rajasthan, and Punjab, and uh, Chandigarh, etc. There were about 25,000 people who had come. And Guruji never told anybody where he was going. And in fact, I think I've mentioned somewhere, I even met Guruji's mother. And when I asked her to tell me about Guruji, and this is what at the end she said, कि सानू पता लग गया कि he is now in Delhi, so we have come here. This is what mother said. Mataji ne dasya ye. So it increased, and you would have seen that नीचे भरने लगी, पूरी जगह भर जाती थी। आई थिंक बाय 2001 तक तो नीचे भर गई
ओ
थी।
यस
फिर
जी
गुरु
जी
जी
बिल्कुल
जो आते थे, पुराने संगत वो कहते थे जाओ उत्ते जाओ, नए बंदे थे हेठा बैठेंगे। एंड
जी
ऊपर भरने लग गई पूरी। पहले हम सीढ़ी में बैठ जाते थे, फिर ऊपर भरने लग गई। एंड देन at one point of time, I saw people used to be standing outside, and there were 3 rows, three chakkars of langar.
राइट
So
राइट
that happened at this place. And then, of course, Bada Mandir was even during that time with thousands of people used to come. And today, of course, it is lakhs of people. So this was all his, his. This is how he wanted to, you know, uh, show that, and what he wanted to us to, give blessings, and then all the kind of parvar that he has made all over the world. Here in Seattle, we have, in 13, 14, when I joined them here in MP Uncle's house, used to be just 15, 20, 30 people. Today, we have almost about 600 members. On any Sangat, which happens on Thursday, is about 250 to 300 people coming. So you see that what a Sangat has increased. And I will like to, I hope I'm not jumping too early, but I like to say that basically Guruji जब कहते थे मंगो नहीं मन्नो, uh, what does it mean actually by just saying कि like Guruji का नाम लेते रहे, and मुंह में राम और बगल में छुरी, it doesn't work. Basically what he was meaning was that what he has said is that you follow that, be a good human being, ABC, those kind of things. That is what is more important. By if I keep on Guruji, Guruji, Guruji karta rahun, but I'm doing all wrong things. So that is what Guruji said. No, mango nahi, because I know everything which he has depicted many times. Anything you like to add to this?
Oh, thank you, Uncle. So, no, it's wonderful, first of all, to hear your perspectives and जैसे कि आपने कहा कि गुरुजी की omnipresence it just increased manifolds as per his design, as per his plan. And I think as his last days in his physical chola kind of were coming to an end, he wanted to bless more and more people. So he used to tell us also, like you were saying, और संगत नई संगत लेकर आओ, bring more people. And we used to, जो भी हमको relatives या जो भी लोग हमको मिलते थे, हम बोलते थे कि चलिए आप हमारे साथ। कुछ लोग आते थे, कुछ लोग नहीं आते थे. It was all Guruji's plan. And of course, like you're saying, जैसे मैं अभी I'm in Atlanta right now. We have so many people who are connected to him. It is just amazing. And the numbers are increasing every day by his blessings all over the world. I mean, it's not just the US, in every continent, I think you go, he's there. You know, so and I think because I think the beautiful part of his omniscience, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि, and I personally have experienced it when my mother actually during my मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी के फाइनल एग्जाम का एक सत्संग मैं शेयर कर लेता हूँ अंकल, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी सिमिलर टू
जी
व्हाट यू जस्ट
जी
सेड,
जी जी
काइंड ऑफ
जी
कनेक्ट्स वेरी वेल विद इट, कि the day of my exam, my mother saw him in our house in Bombay. So we used to live in Bombay, but we used to go to Delhi to meet Guruji. That's it. और किसी और कोई काम नहीं होता था. We used to just go meet Guruji somehow. पापा कुछ प्लान बना लेते थे, हम लोग जाके मिलते थे गुरुजी को. And Bombay के घर में, she saw Guruji in his red chola. If you remember, he used to have this red chola that he used to wear. उसका एक छोटा सा स्वरूप भी मिलता था. तो and I could feel his fragrance throughout the exam. मतलब and I knew even results 2 महीने के बाद आते थे, सीए फाइनल के भी एग्जाम्स, as you probably know. हम लोगों ने एग्जाम मैंने मई में एग्जाम लिखा है, उस दिन मुझे पता था आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. आई डिड नॉट नीड एनी वैलिडेशन बिकॉज आई न्यू गुरुजी महाराज हैड ब्लेस्ड मी. एंड एज यू राइटली सेड, मांगो नहीं मनो इज जस्ट कि आप गुरुजी में जब जब उस लेवल का ट्रस्ट आ जाता है, देयर इज नो नीड टू आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग. ही ऑलरेडी will bless you the things that you need at the time you need it. And if he has not blessed, that means something good is meant by that too. So many people who like you said are sometimes, hey, I want this, I want this. If he's not giving it to you, उसमें भी आपका कल्याण है. So कुछ नहीं भी मिलता है, so it is good, because if you do get it, then you may not be able to hold on to it, because it is not meant for you. Because what is meant for you, he will give it to you. So I think on that wonderful note, I'll probably stop my reading here, Uncle. But in case you want to add anything more,
thank
so,
you very much,
जी,
uncle.
जी,
Thank you,
जी,
so nice. Thank you very much for this seva, and
thank you so much.
Jai Guruji. Vasan uncle, Seema auntie.
Jai Guruji, Shukrana
Jai Guruji.
Guruji.
Seema.
Thank
Jai
you
auntie.
so much, Jaspal Alag uncle. Thank you so much, Harish Opili uncle.
Thank you,
This
Seema.
book isn't just a book, Alag uncle. It is an absolute, I would say, a treasure trove, and truly a tapestry of so many magical experiences that you've described. It's actually heartwarming to listen, and it's really sort of मैं सुन रही थी जब आपको, तो एकदम गूज बम्प्स आ रहे थे. एंड हरीश अंकल, आपकी भी बातें सुन के just it's as if we're transported into that time. So Shukrana from Shukrana Guruji Maharaj, the multilingual Sevadar team, for you to come on today and read the book, and uncle for describing it in greater detail. Shukrana Maharaj ka. संगत जी, आइए अब हम सब गुरुजी महाराज से आज्ञा लेते हैं. If there's uncle, is there anything else you want to add just before we do that?
Yes. Jai Guruji auntie. Thank you very much. Thank you.
जय
Shukrana.
गुरुजी.
Thank you.
शुक्राना महाराज का. संगत जी, आप सब गुरुजी महाराज से अब कृपया